Today we're gonna have a look at how to use the IFS function in Google Sheets. I have here a sample file with students and test scores. I already built the function using the if function only, and as you can see, the syntax here gets really complicated. We need multiple ifs in order to make sure that they get the remarks. If the test result is 75 and more, it's outstanding. If it's 50, it's excellent. If it's 25 or more, it's good. And if it's below 25, it's bad. So I built this with the if function, but it's really complicated. And this is where the ifs function comes in, because you only write ifs one time, and then you can write all the conditions within brackets. And I'm going to show you now how you can do this. So the first thing is you use the equal sign, and then you write ifs. Then you open up the brackets, and it's always the condition and then the value. Right, so first condition is if E2, and we need to make sure that all the others, not the E2, all the other cells, we need to add a $sign in front of them, because we don't want that to move, because the remarks and the scores are going to be fixed. So if E2 is bigger or equal to, and now we take the score here, A2, and as I mentioned, we need to use the $sign in front of the A and also the 2. Then the condition is the value is outstanding, and also here we need to use the $signs. So that's the first condition. And then we continue with the second condition. We do it in the same way. So if E2 is bigger or equal to 50, then the result should be excellent, and this is B3. So we write B3 and the $signs in front of it. So we have the second one. Now we move over to the third condition. So if E2 is bigger or equal to A4, then the result should be good, which is B4. So B4. And now for the last condition, like everything that is below 25 is going to be bad. So here we can just write if E2 is smaller than, so if E2 is smaller than A4, then the result should be B5. So now we hit enter. Okay, and now we can just copy this cell to all the other cells, so the formula will be in all the cells. Let's see if that works, and we get the same results. As you can see, we have exactly the same results. This time we use the ifs function, and we don't need multiple nested if functions. Only the ifs function alone is sufficient, and we can easily rebuild this. So this is how to use the ifs function in Google Sheets. I hope this tutorial was helpful, and if you want to get better at Google Sheets, follow this channel and subscribe. Thank you. Bye bye.